Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to make simple yet yummy recipe, Yema chiffon cake water bath method, home baking. For today's video, I'm using silicone molder. It's number 5, but I'm going to make it number 6 cake. Let's prepare all ingredients. 1 cup cake flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoon powder milk. 6 egg yolk, 1/2 cup canola oil. 1/4 cup sugar. 1/4 cup water. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon vanilla. For the meringue, 6 egg whites. 1/2 cup sugar. 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Let's get started. Strain all-purpose flour and baking powder. Mix and set aside first. Combine all together the wet ingredients, egg yolks, oil, water, and vanilla. Then add 1/2 cup sugar, salt, powder milk, then mix until sugar and salt totally dissolve. Add now dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Set aside. Now let's do the meringue. Beat egg whites and cream of tartar in a medium speed. Gradually add 1/4 cup sugar. Beat until soft thick. Add meringue to our cake batter. Mix slowly. Cut and fold process. For today's video, I'm using silicone molder. It's number 5, but I'm going to make it number 6 cake. Transfer to your desired baking tray. I'm using barbecue stick to release lumps and bubbles. Cooking this in a water bath method. Just pour water about half part in our baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven 180 C 30 to 35 minutes. Perfectly baked chiffon cake, you can eat this as it is, without frosting, so yummy already. Let's make the Yema frosting. 7 pieces medium-sized egg yolks. 1 1/4 cup condensed milk. By the way, I'm using yellow Alaska condensed and evaporated milk. 3/4 cup evaporated milk. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix until cornstarch dissolves. Turn on heat, low to medium. Mix until you want consistency. Turn off knob and add 1/4 cup butter and 1 tablespoon vanilla. Mix until butter melts. Strain mixture to achieve fine and smooth. Cover and chill for at least 1 hour before using it. And here it is, our finished product for today's video. Thanks everyone for watching. Until next time, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.